Today's word is corollary. It is a noun. It means a natural result that happens because of something else. A fact or idea that follows logically as a direct consequence of another proven statement or action. Similar words include result, outcome, consequence. A corollary of being lazy is that you might not get your work done. The rain was a corollary of the dark, heavy clouds. Better grades are a common corollary of studying every day.
If we practice soccer every day, we will probably win our game.
Exactly. Winning is a corollary of all that hard work.
Emma uses corollary to explain that winning is the natural result that comes from the effort of practicing. Think of it as what happens next because of what you did first. It is like a domino effect where one thing leads to another. If you don't sleep well, what is a likely corollary the next day?